I'm going to do a quick video on this car. This is a 2012 Charger RT all-wheel drive. I put around 120 miles a day on this car, and it has 218,000 miles on it now. So let's go ahead and start it up. The reason I'm making this video is at 117,000 miles, the cam and lifters went out on this car, and we pulled the heads, put a new cam, put a new Mopar cam, and a new set of lifters in it. The lifters were, I was wrong, it's got 219,000 miles on it. So we put a new cam and lifters in it at 117, and now it's got 219. And I just wanted to kind of bust the myth that once the cam and lifters goes bad, that everything's dirty and there's no hope for these engines. This engine still runs just as strong as it did when the cam and lifters were done. I did put a cheap lifter in it because COVID, and I couldn't get the Mopar lifters at the time, so they're noisy. The only reason it's not noisy right now is because it's 25 degrees out here. So it is noisy, it has been noisy, it rattles, it ticks. I change the oil every 5,000 miles. So there you have it. I mean, just a quick rundown of a car that actually gets used. It gets to run in the snow, it gets to run in the salt, it runs year-round, summer, winter, and I put a lot of parts on it, but it's still a great car. Alrighty, if you have any questions about cam lifters or reliability, comment down below.